Hello and welcome to Astronomy Spotlight for December 2023. My name is Kirk Rosberg. I'm the Planetarium Coordinator at the Hastings Museum. Turns out the morning of December 14th, it marks the peak of the annual Geminid Meteor Shower. It is one of the very best meteor showers of the year and one of the most reliable as well. The good news is that if the weather is clear and good, which of course you never know in December, the moon will actually not interfere at all during the peak of the Geminids. The moon is actually just past new at this particular time. So keep in mind, it takes about 20 minutes for your eyes to really fully adapt to the darkness. Now, under ideal, very dark sky conditions, away from city lights and other forms of light pollution, and of course without the moon, you could expect to see 80 to 120 meteors in an hour at the peak. The nice thing about the Geminids is that they tend to be bright and white, so they stand out against the dark starry sky. The peak of the Geminids will occur around 2 a.m. on the 14th. This is the time I have set our planetarium sky here for 2 a.m. They should also still be very good on the evening of the 14th as well. But at around 2 a.m., the constellation of Gemini will be at its highest. In fact, let me just turn on the artwork here for Gemini. There they are right in the center, meaning they are overhead in the sky at that particular time. Let me just turn on the lines. There we go. That's what the constellation looks like. So Gemini will be at its highest in the sky at roughly 2 a.m. So you will have a chance to see more meteors. They will be coming from all directions. Now, although the radiant point of the Geminids is near the bright star Castor, which is right there, you should really look in, or at least concentrate your effort on that part of the sky. You will want to look everywhere in the sky. In fact, you may have a better view if you look elsewhere in the sky, such as Orion the Hunter or Taurus the Bull, since near the radiant, the trails will mostly be very short. But all Geminid meteors can be traced back to that area of Gemini, hence the name of the shower, the Geminids. The Geminids don't tend to leave behind long, persistent dust trails, because this shower isn't caused by the dusty path left over from a comet's tail. It originates actually from the asteroid 3200 Phaethon. So it is more rocky than dusty. This is also why the meteors tend to be brighter than most other showers. The Geminid particles are usually larger than dust particles. In 2024, the Japanese are planning to launch a spacecraft to 3200 Phaethon to study and learn more about this particular asteroid. You do not need binoculars or a telescope to view a meteor shower such as this one. They will be actually a hindrance. All you need is your own two eyes. You'll want the widest possible field of view as you slowly scan every part of the sky that you can see. Preferably in a reclining lawn chair or perhaps flat on your back in a sleeping bag, as it will be fairly chilly out. You'll also want to bring like a warm beverage, whether tea or cocoa or something along that line, to stay warm. Good luck watching the Geminids. It should be an interesting shower if the weather is clear enough. And happy holidays. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next year.